Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a list view in Salesforce. All right. Now for this example, I'm going to show you how to add a list under contacts. All right. You can do it under opportunities as well, or other tabs right here. Now, going back to contacts, I'm going to click on it. Now in this tab, as you can see, we have recently viewed. And this one right here, as you can see, we have buyers. I just created this one. So in order to create a new list, you're just going to want to go ahead and click on this cogwheel. All right. Besides the search function, click on it. And as you can see, we have the new option right here. All right. Just click on it. Now it will require us the list name. For example, need to remind, this is the list name. All right. And that's the API, which is automatic. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable all users to see this list. If not, if it's set to private, just go ahead and tick on this tick box right here and then hit on save. Now, in order to view that particular list, we're just going to want to go ahead and click on this drop down right here. As you can see, we are in the need to remind tab. All right, right here. As you can see, we have a ton of people right here under this list and it's added automatically. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and delete any user from here, like this one. All right, going to delete it. There you go. Wait for it to reload and it's gone. Here's your new list. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.